Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. In 2026, poverty will not be about money, it will be about mindset. The world is changing faster than ever before. AI is replacing jobs, skills are replacing degrees, and comfort is replacing ambition. Some people will rise, some people will struggle, but most people will stay exactly where they are. Not because they are unlucky, not because they are stupid, but because they think the same way they did yesterday. Today, I want to talk about 5 types of people who will stay poor in 2026. If you recognize yourself in any of them, this message is your wake-up call. Person number 1, the comfort lover. This person loves comfort more than growth. They say, I just want a stable job, or I don't want too much stress, or I'll start later. But comfort is expensive. It costs you your future. The world rewards people who are willing to be uncomfortable today so they can live free tomorrow. If you only work when it's easy, you will struggle when life gets hard. Remember this, comfort feels good now, but it feels terrible later. Person number 2, the skill-poor dreamer. This person has big dreams, but no skills. They talk about success, they watch motivational videos, they share quotes, but they don't learn. No digital skills, no communication skills, no problem-solving skills. In 2026, money will follow value, and value comes from skills, not wishes. Degrees will not save you. Titles will not save you. Only skills will. If you are not learning every day, you are slowly becoming irrelevant. Person number 3, the blame expert. This person is very intelligent at blaming others. They blame the government, their parents, their country, their boss, the economy. But blaming never built a future. Every successful person accepts one truth. My life is my responsibility. When you stop blaming, you start growing. The moment you take ownership, you take control. In 2026, excuses will be common. Success will be rare. Person number 4, the fear-controlled thinker. This person is controlled by fear. Fear of failure, fear of criticism, fear of looking stupid, fear of starting small. They wait for the perfect time, but perfect time never comes. The future belongs to people who start before they feel ready. Failure is not the opposite of success. Fear is. If fear controls your decisions, poverty will control your life. Person number 5, the short-term mind. This person only thinks about today. They want fast money, easy success, instant results. But real wealth is built slowly. They scroll instead of study. They consume instead of create. They spend instead of invest. The rich think in years. The poor think in weekends. In 2026, patience will be a superpower. Powerful turning point. Now listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich. You don't need connections. You only need one decision. Decide to grow every single day. Learn one skill. Improve one habit. Take one uncomfortable step. Small actions repeated daily create massive results. The future is not coming. It's already here. 2026 will not be kind to lazy minds. It will not reward excuses. It will not wait for permission. But it will reward learners, doers, risk-takers, builders. Don't be one of the 5 people who stay poor. Be the one who decided, I will not stay the same. Start today. Start scared. Start small, but start. Your future is watching what you do next.